Hello and welcome to Quick Tip Tuesday. Here's where I put together some short videos on tips and tricks for social media and web development content. Today we're going to feature optimize your site speed. One of the things that's very important to most websites. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification button so you get notified every time I put out these tickets. How you doing? I'm Jim from seomarketeer. And let's get started on optimizing your site speed. When we talk about site speed, there's two critical factors when looking at site speed. Website speed and page load speed. Website speed refers to how quick you can move from page to page within the website, and the page load speed refers to how quickly a page actually loads when someone clicks on it. Now, why is this important, we ask, right? Because according to Google, mobile browsers, which is probably 70% of our subscribers today, who would actually click from a mobile device and not so much a desktop, says that if it's more than 3 seconds long, then people are more likely just to click off of it. That holds true for desktops as well. And according to Bing, they're saying 2 seconds is all it takes for someone to move across. So this makes it essential for you to optimize your web speed. You know, you want to make sure when somebody clicks on it, they get the experience they expect. So 6 ways in which you can maximize website and page speed. So it's always best to pick a lightweight theme. You want to make sure that theme is responsive for most mobile and desktop applications. You know, you want to optimize your images. It's always critical not to have large images where they're not needed, and you want to optimize them. You want to always reduce redirects. Redirects are never good practice on a website, so there's one thing you really want to avoid. Utilize browser caching. Some web hosting platforms allow you to do this, but it's always good to use browser caching to enable content to load quicker when someone clicks on it, so they don't have to keep the website itself doesn't have to keep reloading these, things like images and your logos, things like that, or constant content is always good to cache. So you want to improve your server response time. Now this is always a questionable thing, right? Because there are a lot of providers out there who provide free web hosting. It's never probably great to go with the free web hosting. You'd want to look at more some of the premium web hostings. So the most of them, they're going to have much faster response times on the web server itself. Because the last thing you want to do is use the free version and have that that website just be slow as a result of that itself. So there's 2 recommended actions as a part of this quick tip today that I'm going to say. These are my opinion. They're not anything written in stone, but you could use something like a Cloudflare along with W3 Total Cache plugin for WordPress or some of the other caching. So this in combination with one another will improve your speed. Not saying there aren't other plugins. And the one thing when we go back to the free hosting is there are sometimes when you get the free hosting providers that they're not going to allow you to actually cache on the website. So you want to make sure that if you are going to use a free one, that you want to actually make sure that they support caching as a result. If not, premium level web hosting is not that expensive today. So these are something you should be looking into, especially if you plan on running something more of a commercial type website and less of a, it's just, hey, it's friends, for my friends and my family type of website. So that's it for today. Please subscribe to my channel and click on that like button if you enjoyed this video. And make sure you leave a comment below in the comment section. And if there's any more content like this you want to see, let me know. Thank you.